Welcome guys, Creamball back again with another reaction video. Today we're going to check out Skepta feat Devilman Part 1. This is an old school clash, old school UK clash, and someone said I should check it out. So we're going to check it out and see what's going on. Again, now. Yo, look at the Wild Wild West. Old school, bruh. This look like the 90s or early 2000s.
Devilman. Yeah, the big clash right about now. This is how we're doing it. Yeah.
No, look at the early 2000s, like 2000 something. What the?
So clashing me is not the answer. So you better run. Shit club and carry on being a lap dancer. Yeah, you're not ready, you're black Somalian, you're not ready. Don't even open your mouth, God, before you say something stupid and get yourself buried. Wow, you're not ready, you're Bangladeshian, you're not steady. You're Ethiopian excuse of an MC, you better keep bullshit in your belly.
Yo, you know, say, if him do this in today's time, people are want to riot and say I'm racist, and that's why I say back then it was a different time than now. People could have clashed about anything, but I don't think them can do it now because people so sensitive, bruh, in today's time. That's crazy. Man, say you got cancer.
Yes,
crazy,
man.
dog.
I'm bringing it because I knew you was alright. Yeah, we're warming. Let's go. We're warming, innit? Okay. Skepta, I'm not scared of the evil element. The evil element ain't in the mafia. Not a tiger me, I won't some carrier. Devilman wouldn't even jump over the train barrier. So how can he be a bad man when he pass with about 25 freaks? If I get Texas Chainsaw Massacre, you will get Freddy Krueger Part 6 and final destination.
Yo,
trust me,
but that's a lie. That brother here come out more harder. Well, in the Devilman and Skepta. So he's Skepta. Other do is Devilman. Skepta, they're on the right track. They're on the right track with female one, isn't it? Yeah, the crowd. Crowd know what I go on. Oh, not on my level.
Give me a middle man, Devilman, second man. You get eaten in a Liverpool water, I can't get beaten. Cause I'm lyrics are colder than Sweden. So boy better know it's gun season. Don't think I'm wearing gloves for no reason. Kill Devilman and dump him in Neasden. My name's Jude.
Oh,
make your jaw side look uneven.
oh, yo, wait. Yo, tell the man come out hard. The man say yo. Yo, oh, man, they make your job look and evil you would. But I tell you that, Skepta kill it already, bro. And the crowd know it. You have to come harder, bro.
This is how we doing it right about now, yeah?
Yeah, come harder. Yeah?
Yo, I'm like no armor, try to flash me, please don't bother. Put Skepta on the ground and stick out his eyes and make him bar for his mother. We don't like each other, only because I fucked his baby mother. We have that pictures under the cover.
Okay.
Like no other. Never judge a book by his cover, cause I don't see couple shots in your brother. Make sure I enter the clip in his face, just to make sure the little print don't recover. He didn't take along to the cover. Skepta smells like no other. When I asked him to piss in his face, he was like, go on then, but pay me a water.
Alright, man, come on, look a lukewarm. Come on, look a bit.
Yo, talk for the tool, go on then, think I'm a fool. Go on then, talk for the mash. Go on then, don't wanna clash. Go on then, waste man, see? Sure, go on then. I got more lyrics in my book, go on then, kiss my black foot, go on then. Yo, sign up to the gym cause I heard man are looking for me and my mates. After I'm done with pumping the weights, I'm gonna buy a slap-proof vest and put in the plates. I got so many stars and straps, I might buy a new house in the States. Every compliment my head inflates. I roll deep but I don't wear skates and I don't like him or his friend. Don't make me have to bore his friend. Go on then, bring around 2 of your friends. I'll just bring around 3 of my friends, but not no MC friends. I'll bring around a couple unknown guys for my ends. You hold mic, they hold leng, and the only spitting they do is phlegm. So what you mean, you fool? Go on there, draw for the tool. Think that you're hard but you're soft like wool. Lick a man in the jaw side with a stool. I'm a real shower man.
Shower man. Yo, man, I show a dig at Gerald a while ago, bro. So I dig at Gerald a while ago.
You know what Mr. John for the thing and make a boy run fast. Push him with a pint glass. About your fuck man's ass, you will never last.
Damn. Once say I have F-man ass. Oh my god.
About £50 for a gram.
Shit.
About
£50 for a gram. You get £40 for 0.8 because you took a blast. So
Yo, alright, eat up, look at me. Rasta me there, man. Round 2. Alright.
Oh, shit.
Okay, we got the Birmingham crew. North London representing right now.
North London, alright.
Yes, blood. This is a real clash stuff.
Yeah.
Levels are way high. Okay, we got my Meridian.
Yeah.
So to the mic, part 2. See the level I'm on, he wants to reach this. Cause when I touch mic, I'm the deepest. I'm the strongest, he's the weakest. I'm on the A-list, you're still struggling to get up on the C-list. Drop level man, pieces. I'm a shower man, you're a penis. And your whole crew stinks pieces. When I check the...
But call him a dick. You're a dick. You're a dickhead, bruh. Dickhead. Get out of here.
They wanna be on, cause I'm a star and I shine like neon. Lyrically,
yeah.
The man down like Leon. And he's a batty boy, so there's a lot of things we can't
Batty boy.
I'm on a shower man, sing what's he on? Come to your house in a Ford or Rion. Draw for the tool, got going in. Yo, let me spit Devilman's hook a little bit, cause Devilman's trying to get big a little bit. But
yeah.
Money and from no, you teach your style of bass, man, and trick a little bit.
Hey, yo.
From a little bit. Spit 2 bars, draw for the mash, then tie on me, I won't from a little bit. So don't fuck around with Junior. If you never knew, this is Aftershocks new shooter. Sorry, Aftershocks new loser.
Yo! Yeah, we know that I get feel for on there. What's the Aftershock new loser? To the A. We don't know you feel for that. That's the thing I want to do.
Okay.
Alright then, this is how we're doing it, yeah? You're trying to bring things into it and that. Alright, what about that eye then? Okay then. Yo, Skepta, the chance of you winning me in this clash right now is reducing. I'm gonna make you wish that you stop to producing. And you're not a good producer. Your girl looks like Medusa. Basically, that's why I don't want to excuse her. But I still never have to excuse her. If you don't believe me, ask Bruiser. Or ask her a danger. Basically, no makeup can change her. Skepta, you're a prick, you're not major. Draw for the 12 gauge and 12 gauger. So
alright.
Get to the Batman. I will educate you like Batman. If you want to take it further than that, and it's raw, chop off your head with a saw. I like to get blood and I need some more. I check to the brain to the bottom of the floor. I'm coming in, what's wrong in
Continue. Recover.
I said shame on Skepta. Everyone's burning the flame on Skepta. Pop the shot, get my aim on Skepta. Alright, my name on Skepta. Get to the Batman, shame on Skepta. I'll put the blame on Skepta. The maple police like cocaine on Skepta. Not gonna be more shame on him. Get to the Batman.
Yo, anytime you see me wearing a glove, way better than I was gonna gun in my boxers. I don't wanna send Devilman to the doctors. I wanna win a mobile, then go for the Oscars. There's only one baseman, so I gotta lick down any imposters.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yo, for this beat, shine the ravine on your teeth. I just like to cause trouble and grief. Devilman can't win lyrical beef because he shitted in school and wipes his batty with a leaf.
Anybody don't know that? Anybody where, like, back in the old days, when people, I mean, I never, some people have tidy people, but some people could get to go over to them, like, shitting in the bush and wipe them acid news with like leaf and them something, you see me? And that's called like a barbaric style or whatever. So that's in my mention, say, my boy shit in the bush and wipe him batty that leaf. That's crazy. That's how it's a world. You
just tell Tayomi I want some lies. Hate Tayomi I want some guys. They can't defeat the beat me. SKE to the PC. Make me a face walk. Say I want some pie. Your lips Tayomi I want some dry. You can't defeat me. SKE to the PC. Aim at the first gets up. Come out my face before your head gets split up. Like a car you will get split up. In half you will get split up. I don't know you've been hearing that bullshit up. Even like I'm busting up lyrics like I tell a snip up. From long ranges MCs get pick up. From my side man a chip on my shoulder. All I'm gonna do is let the chip up. Yeah, that's why you shouldn't run the lip up and you shouldn't force guns if you can't set the clip up. That's why it's like a man slip up. Don't last long in a gunfight and I get shit up. Yeah, heads get pricked up. If you know where you live, girls get kicked up. The plates in off.
Alright.
Up in a split and the Hennessy gets kicked up. Yo. That's why I sing all the songs I sung. I've been a shit from young when I buy 4.5. Put a crumb on my tongue, wait for it to go numb. Me and boss man, we can never get stung. Any funny business, put the length to his lung. School me about what I used to put 13 scores in my mouth and start chopping up an X ounce with H. Can't chat to Meridian about weight. Devilman wouldn't even know what to do with an 8. He bought an 8-4 on the 24th, he's still trying to move it on the 8th. Devilman to eaters with the batteries held him with sellotape blood. I thought he was looking at the date of birth when I put my food on the scales. When I get shit, I start biting my nails, but I never ever been an informer. Never told tales. I roll with 4 black males and the feds better lock us in separate jails. Easy my school should have phoned my phone. We regulate all the class A cells.
Yeah.
The final, I was mixed up and with a vinyl. I was into some girls vaginal. All pistol with his step that lino. It was a little prick so I was.
Yeah, my man look flow, yeah, my look flow, my look flow, yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Development, I get no props, yeah. My lyrics sit in your head top instantly, like when somebody pops, yeah. When an MC, I get other MCs pissed off, like when a bitch flops, yeah. Let me tell you
Shit, no, instead of line already, you know. Yeah, the line already.
So she couldn't have kids no more. Better be distressing her internal organs. She couldn't be distressed no more. I'm not impressed no more. I don't feel like she should go pressed no more. Standing me in the chest is so.
Shit, alright guys, that is part 1 of Devilman and Skepta. Let me know if you guys want a part 2, whoever make it to the end. But this is very interesting, I'm not gonna lie. Very entertaining. I'm not gonna lie, Skepta for me is doing more better than Devilman, and because he come out more fiery and have the better lyrics and everything to me. I don't know what you guys are gonna choose, but Skepta really hype up the crowd. They can't hear it from the crowd too, bro. You see me? So this is the end of the reaction video. Peace out. Love.